If you want to see how to mount your SmartThings iPad enclosure and provide power over Ethernet to the device, then stick around. In this video, we're going to show you how to install a SmartThings tablet enclosure for your iPad mini and how to provide power via PoE. Let's start by listing out the parts you'll need. Once you've decided on a tablet and chosen the right mount, there's also some tools you'll need to get the job done. We used the GAF USB as our inline adapter to provide power to the iPad via PoE. Oh, you also don't want to forget your iPad. You also need some drywall anchors or screws. A 1/4 inch should work. For this install, you'll need a bubble level, but you can also use an app on your phone for this, a pencil for marking, drill with bits and 1-inch hole saw, and a screwdriver. This demo was made assuming the home run cable was already in place. Let's get started. I'm starting out by drilling a hole for my GAF USB adapter to fit through. To be honest, this was my first time mounting enclosures and I learned that the hole did not need to be this size. You could just drill a hole small enough for the cable to fit through. And for safety, I'm wearing protective eye goggles and earplugs. I also drilled through 3/4 inch MDF instead of sheetrock, so it was harder to get through. There is a label on the mount to indicate which direction is the top. Now I'm going to mark the holes for where I need to secure the mount. It might be helpful to note that using a drill of this caliber has the potential to strip the screws. A screwdriver might be a better option. It might just take a little bit more elbow grease. Here you can see how the SmartThings provided USB to Lightning cable is secured in the dock. Now we can securely snap on the iPad enclosure to the base. This mounting dock also has the ability to rotate 90 degrees. Now we can insert our GAF USB adapter into the hole we already cut out, which is being powered by a switch behind the wall. After I connect the male and female USB ends, I'm just going to make sure that my mount is level. Now I'm ready for the iPad. I want to make sure I connect it to the Lightning cable first, then slide it into the opening of the mount. And you're done! We successfully mounted a SmartThings iPad mount and provided power through PoE. Don't forget to check out the Month of Mounts playlist on YouTube for more install videos.